Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain you how to install Xfinity Doorbell camera. So we're gonna connect through Wi-Fi as you can see here. So what we're gonna have to do is simply push the doorbell button to trigger camera to enter into VPS mode. So basically after we connect to our Wi-Fi, what you're gonna have to do is simply get the IP of the camera. So as you can see here, we're gonna have to hold the doorbell button for 5 seconds to enter to VPS mode. So after you get the IP of your camera, you can access camera by web browser by entering this here, HTTP, then enter your IP, and then basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter the username and then simply create a password, and then you're gonna have access to your doorbell camera. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.